Every mom I know is exhausted, but no one is talking about the simple path that actually gives you your time back. Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Lori, a married empty nester, mom of 4, living with a chronic illness. I help moms, dads, and empty nesters build simple online income from home in a way that fits real life. Before we jump in, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly videos. I share clear, simple digital marketing guidance for busy parents and empty nesters who want more time, flexibility, and purpose. If you're a mom or dad who wants to contribute financially, but you're overwhelmed and stretched thin, you're in the right place. I've been there too, trying to take care of everyone, trying to figure out online income, trying to learn digital marketing from scratch. And honestly, I kept wondering why nothing seemed to work. Etsy, KDP, freelance writing, I've tried them all, and everything took so much time and energy that I didn't have. That's why I want today's video to feel like a breath of fresh air. A moment where things finally make sense. A moment where the steps feel doable. Most people aren't failing, they're overloaded. Parents are juggling work, home, kids, aging parents, and finances. Empty nesters are navigating major transitions and trying to figure out what's next. Trying to add digital marketing on top of that can feel impossible. What people need is not more hustle. They need simplicity, a clear path, something doable with limited time. And the truth is, you can build real online income with just your phone, Wi-Fi, and about 2 hours a day when you're following the right system. One of the fastest paths to burnout is trying to grow everywhere at once. So choose one platform, master it, then expand later if you want to. If you love short videos, choose TikTok. If you love teaching and deeper content, YouTube is perfect. If you love visuals, Pinterest works great. One platform keeps you focused and calm. Digital marketing becomes simple when you focus on helping one person solve one real problem. Your ideal viewer might feel worn out, behind financially, unsure how to start, overwhelmed by tech, burned out from work, stuck in a transition in life, ready for a second chapter. When you speak directly to one real struggle, people feel seen and understood. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be helpful and honest. This is what sets you apart. People connect with you, not your editing, your story, not perfection. Whether you're a mom of teenagers, a dad coming home after long days, or an empty nester rediscovering your purpose, your voice matters. Authenticity builds trust faster than any algorithm ever could. This was the moment that everything shifted for me. Inside our community I'm a part of, people are succeeding because they're not building everything from scratch. The products, the setup, the tech, the delivery, the automation, all of it is already done. You simply plug in, follow the steps, and tell your story. You share what you're learning. This model works for busy parents and empty nesters because it only requires simple tools, your phone, Wi-Fi, and a couple of hours a day. And the results are real. We have community members having $300 days, $600 days, and even $900+ days using this exact system. And they're doing it without needing a big following or complicated tech. If this is starting to click for you and you want a clear, simple path to follow, go ahead and subscribe and grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. The blueprint shows you step by step exactly what to do, even if you're a complete beginner. It teaches you how to choose a done-for-you digital business, how to set up a simple funnel in one afternoon, how to create content that brings in traffic, and how to automate your income. And the best part is, you can follow it using just your phone, your Wi-Fi, in about 2 hours a day. It's easy to follow, practical for busy schedules, and it's made for real life. You don't need a big website, you just need a landing page, a place to collect emails, a simple message, a clear next step. This works whether you're a mom, a dad, an empty nester, starting fresh. Once it's built, it works around the clock while you're at work, sleeping, or spending time with your family. Your email list is your foundation. It's where you build trust, share your story, and introduce your offers. It's reliable, it's stable, and it works even on the days when you don't feel well or when life gets busy. A simple email sequence can keep working for you behind the scenes. I follow a 2-hour-a-day routine that makes digital marketing doable. I spend 1 hour creating 3 small pieces of content, 30 minutes posting free ads or going live, and 30 minutes replying to emails. This is manageable for anyone, and it keeps you consistent without draining your energy. You don't need to master everything at once. The people who succeed aren't the ones who rush. They're the ones who show up consistently, learn step by step, and let the process build. When you follow a simple guided system instead of trying to build everything alone, you don't burn out, you gain back your time, confidence, and peace. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss my new tutorials. And don't forget to grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's a simple step-by-step system that moms, dads, and empty nesters are using to build real income from home with nothing more than your phone, Wi-Fi, and a couple of hours a day. You don't have to do this alone, my friend. I'm cheering for you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in this next video.